Welcome to the home of .me domains. We're here to answer all your questions.
Are you finally ready to take your business online, but someone already got your dream address? What to do if your domain name is already taken? This is Anna, a costume designer. She's decided to build her online space, but her chosen domain name was already taken. What can she do? Solution 1. Try buying the domain name anyway. If the website is not in function or it says that the domain name is for sale, you can buy the domain name you wanted, but it could be pricey. Find a broker to procure the domain name for you, or you can contact the owner directly, but don't forget to negotiate. Solution 2. Look for close alternatives. If getting that domain name is not an option, the most obvious choice would be to make a slight alteration until you nudge it into something that is available. Play with different keywords and ideas. However, just adding a dash or a different domain extension? Bad choice. Intellectual rights aside, having a domain too similar to an existing one could be a source of headache down the road. Why? Well, let Mark Zuckerberg, the owner of a website formerly known as thefacebook.com, explain.
When we did our investment with Peter, we didn't even have the domain facebook.com yet. I mean, that was back when we were thefacebook.com. I don't know if any of you guys remember that, but yeah, that was a winner.
Wow. So back to other mistakes you made. Tell me some more stories about things if you could do them differently now, if you'd do them differently.
I'd get the right domain name.
Solution 3. Change course completely. Did you know that your domain name does not have to be the same as your company name? Instead, it should become a part of your brand. Like About.me, a platform for creating an online business card, or Return.me, a global online lost and found service, and many others. Who knows? Your new brand might become more popular than your main one. Think about short, memorable domain names that are related to your business. If you need help choosing a perfect domain name, we have a video just for you. Good luck! It's your turn. Level up your personal brand. It all starts with a domain name. Register your .me today.